if I've made sense.
Senator Ledama.
Mr. Speaker, I'm not sure the Cabinet Secretary understood my question. Because now you are saying that SHA will pay KEMSA before KEMSA releases the drugs to the hospitals. The question is, and I want to be clear, and I'm happy to come and sit down with you and try to explain better what I mean. The question is, since we are having a problem with counties paying KEMSA for the drugs, don't you think that it's about time to become a bit creative and develop a system that will ensure that these manufacturers place their drugs there, only release them when they are being prescribed to a patient? That will solve two problems. Problem number one, pending bills. Problem number two, expiry of drugs, such that they don't have to be, they will only spend drugs which can be used. Because you know, every day we are told what manufacturers are doing, including others making drugs to confuse people. That is my question, because what you are now saying is that you will develop a system where SHA is paid money before before KEMSA releases them. That's a bit confusing.
If you sit down, because you are not exchanging with the honorable senator, you know, when seated, you can benefit from your officers.
Yes.
You can benefit from them.
So, Mr. Speaker, I think I've made it very clear. But now I'll allow my colleagues to maybe piggyback on my question.
Your colleagues, it isn't any senator with a supplementary question. You can't give your colleagues that opportunity to do that. But I think she has now understood your issue. No, let her first answer. I want her to convince first Senator Ndama, then you can ask your. And I give you also an opportunity, remember? You ask your supplementary question. Okay. I'll come to your rescue at some point. And honorable senators, you know, sometimes the CS cannot answer all the questions often. And I think you gave a good proposal that you'll be going back with your team to consult and bring a report on KEMSA reforms. That is part of the reforms that KEMSA